Hey everyone, I'm Jeffrey Shanor, broker and owner here at CMV Realty, where only the most experienced agents thrive. In a market where large corporate brokerages are merging and buying each other out, many good agents are finding their careers disrupted and are starting to feel like nothing more than a sales volume number. Here at CMV, we believe experience and genuine relationships are everything. Each month, I bring you the real numbers behind what's happening in our local real estate market so you can stay informed. Whether you're buying, selling, investing, or just keeping an eye on things, I always welcome your comments and calls. So let's dive into the South Florida housing market. In September, it showed a clear trend. More opportunity for buyers, but a mixed picture on pricing. Overall, our three major counties, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach, saw a continuation of the market shift. Closed sales were down across the region, falling approximately 8.2% year over year, which reflects cautious buyer behavior and the lingering effect of higher rates. However, the real story is in inventory. Active listings across the region are up slightly, in some segments by over 20% year over year, meaning buyers have far more options and leverage than they did last summer. In terms of property types, single-family homes continue to show stability in price, with the median sale price actually climbing in many areas, reflecting steady demand for the limited supply of premium properties. Condos and townhouses are seeing a more pronounced shift. Many areas are reporting price declines and a notable surge in months of supply, pushing this segment into a definite buyer's market with significant negotiating room. The pace of sales has also slowed, giving buyers a much-needed breath. Homes are taking longer to go under contract, allowing for due diligence and thoughtful offers instead of bidding wars. For sellers, this means pricing correctly from day one, and a top-tier presentation are more crucial than ever. Interest rates, here you go. Now's time to talk about the big factor. As we enter October, the national average for a 30-year fixed rate is approximately 6.3 to 6.4%. The good news is that we saw a significant positive change in buyer confidence last month. This drop in rates from a year's high spurred notable jump in pending sales and contracts signed. In South Florida and statewide, this indicates that buyers are highly sensitive to even small rate fluctuations, and they're ready to jump back into the market when conditions improve. What does this mean for you? For buyers with increased inventory and this recent shift in rates unlocking market activity, now is the time to finalize your pre-approval, look at homes that have been on the market for a little longer, and be ready to negotiate. For sellers, while sales volume is down, serious demand exists for the right price point. This is not a market for testing the waters. It's a market for precision. We can help you strategically price and position your home to capture the current buyer pool. Thanks for watching this month's market update. If you found this helpful, drop a comment, give us a call, or share it with someone who might benefit. And to our fellow professionals in the industry, especially those that feel like they've been lost in the shuffle of recent corporate mergers, we want you to know you're not a number here. You're a valued agent. We believe in raising the bar, leading with value, and backing it all with real experience. And the broker's always in. If that sounds like how you do business, let's connect. There's always room at CMV Realty for experienced agents who want to build something better. I'll see you next month.